Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Aim in Life. Aim is very important in life. It is like a guiding star. It provides directions for our attempts. There are as many aims as men. Some wants to be doctors, others to be engineers. I desire to be a professor of English. Teaching is not a paying profession. Teachers all over the world are low paid people. The reason is that world cannot pay for their services. There are many reasons for my choice. First, teaching is a noble profession. The best people are in the world are those who teach others. Engineers build grand buildings. Doctors treat the patients. Civil officers run the administration. But it is their teachers who have made them so. A teacher is a doctor maker, an engineer maker, and an officer maker. Secondly, I am suited for this profession. I am fond of reading and teaching. By adopting this profession, I will be able to lead a life of learning. Thirdly, some persons may ask if I want to be a professor, why a professor of English? The answer is that English literature is my favorite subject. A man can serve his nation well if he is interested in his work. To achieve my aim, I work day and night. I devote all my time to the study of English literature. Whatever others think of my aim, I am satisfied with it. It is according to my taste and nature. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.